Scan and drop is another feature available on the mailing page. In order to use scan and drop, you must click on the Mailing tab. Once you click on the Mailing tab, S.M.A.R.T is once again going to attempt to connect to the mailing system configuration. Once this page is ready to process, the next step is to click Start. Once you click Start, you will see an option to turn off or turn on Scan and Drop. In this area, you are going to use a scanner to scan the account. It will now charge that account. If you scan an account that does not exist, you will see an error message on the left side. When the scan is complete, click Stop. You will return to the main mailing page.